Hello, Home Chef. Today I'm making seasoned burdock root, 우엉조림. It is excellent as side dish and also often used as a key ingredient for kimbap. There are many health benefits associated with the burdock root. These days, you can find uncooked root easily in a local Asian market or already seasoned and ready to use. Wash and use the vegetable peeler or knife to peel the skin off. Once peeled, soak it in water with 1 tablespoon of vinegar, which prevent color change and get rid of any bitter taste. Julienne cut the burdock root and cut it into long strips. Bring the pot of water into boil and add salt. Parboiling burdock root for 2 minutes make the root crispy tender and ready to absorb seasoning. Drain and rinse with cold water. In a large pan, heat neutral oil over medium-high heat. Prepare burdock root and stir fry for a couple of minutes. Season with rice wine, soy sauce, Yondu optional, ground black pepper, sesame oil, honey, or rice syrup. Stir fry until all the seasoning is absorbed and the pan looks dry. Garnish with sesame seeds, serve with plain steamed rice or make a kimbap. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!